Welcome back to the realm of everyday subtleties. Small problems around the house often seem insurmountable, but if you know how to turn things around with everyday items, everything becomes surprisingly easy. Join me as we explore 10 secrets to see just how clever and interesting life can be. First, keeping flowers fresh longer with coins or sugar. Beautiful flower arrangements often wilt quickly. To do it, drop a copper coin or add a spoonful of sugar to the water in the vase. Copper acts as a natural disinfectant, while sugar provides nutrients, keeping stems healthy and fresh longer. Next, keeping food cold on a picnic with sponges. Melting ice cubes spill water, spoiling food. Soak dishwashing sponges in water, put them in a Ziploc bag, and freeze them before taking them. The sponge retains water. When it melts, the water is absorbed back into the sponge instead of spilling out. Removing yellow stains from shirt collars with shampoo. Collars often get yellow stains from sweat and dirt. Apply a little shampoo directly to the stain. Leave it for 10 minutes, then gently rub before washing. Shampoo dissolves the body's natural oils, which are the main cause of the stain, leaving it clean. Cleaning adhesive residue with a hairdryer. Stickers often leave messy, sticky residue when peeled off. Use a hairdryer to blow hot air onto the sticker for about 30 seconds before slowly peeling it off. High temperatures soften the adhesive, causing it to temporarily lose its stickiness to the surface. Removing garlic odor from a cutting board with coffee grounds. Plastic cutting boards retain strong odors. Rub coffee grounds on the cutting board for a few minutes, then rinse with warm water. Nitrogen in coffee grounds neutralizes sulfur compounds, the culprit behind the pungent smell of onions and garlic. Cleaning leather with a pencil eraser. Light-colored leather shoes or handbags get tiny black smudges. Use a soft pencil eraser to gently rub the stain until it disappears. The gentle friction helps lift surface dirt without scratching or affecting the leather's color. Maintaining shoe shape with newspaper. Shoes often lose their shape or develop a musty smell. Crumple up old newspaper and stuff it inside the shoes until they achieve the desired shape. Newspaper acts as a frame to maintain shape and is effective at absorbing moisture and deodorizing. Cleaning grease stains on carpets with cornstarch. Spilling greasy food spreads the stain deeper. Sprinkle a layer of cornstarch on the oil stain. Leave it for 20 minutes, then vacuum it up. Cornstarch's superfine structure helps absorb and lift oil molecules out of the carpet fibers. Polishing brass with ketchup. Tarnished brass items lose their original elegance. Apply a layer of ketchup to the brass surface. Leave it for a few minutes, then wipe it with a soft cloth. Acetic acid in vinegar and natural acidity of tomatoes dissolve the oxidation layer on the brass surface. Preserving scented candles from dust with lids. Exposed candles accumulate dust, losing fragrance. Always cover the candle after it has cooled, or turn the jar upside down if it doesn't have a lid. Keeping it away from air preserves essential oils and keeps the waxed surface clean, ensuring the cleanest flame. From an old newspaper to coffee grounds, everything can become a helpful tool with the right attention. Hopefully, these 10 tips will bring small joys to your kitchen and home. Thank you for your sincere attention. See you again on the next educational journey.